Hello again. In this tutorial we are going to create and delete partition on Windows on your hard drives. So let's get started. In the search bar type File Explorer. You will find the File Explorer option. So click on this PC. At the left-hand side look for this PC. Here you can see a drive with 3 partitions, C, D, F. F partition have 4,88 GB free. Here I will create a new partition. So for that go to the search bar and type diskmgmt. Will appear create and format hard disk partitions and click on it. A new window will appear which we call a disk management. Here we can see C, D, F partitions and 2 healthy recovery partitions. Healthy recovery partitions must be there in your computer as well. So we need to leave healthy recovery partition. I select the F drive, right-click on this and click on Shrink Volume. And enter the amount of space to shrink, introduce a value in megabytes. So let's say if I want to create a 2,5 GB, so I just have to mention in megabytes. 1024 megabytes equals to 1 gigabyte. If I'll mention 2500 it will be round off 2,5 GB of data. So if I'm creating a 2,5 GB partition, I'll just type 2500 and I'll click on Shrink. In this moment it will take some time. This is the SSD, so it's taking very less time. So I can see unallocated space here. We need to format this drive to create the partition. Just do a right-click on New Simple Volume and a new wizard will come. This wizard helps you create a simple volume on a disk. We will click on Next and here we don't have to make any change. So I'll just leave as it is by default. I'll click on Next. Here we can assign a letter. So I wanted to assign G. I'll just select it and I'll click on Next. Now it's asking me to format it, selected NTFS. If in your computer it's selected FAT or FAT32, make sure you select New Technology File System. Leave default and let the volume as it is, just click on Next and then click on Finish. Now the moment you do it, a new volume. A new window with this volume appear. Now if you want to delete this partition, make next steps. Open again Disk Manager. Right-click on the volume which you want to delete. In this example G. Select Delete Volume. It appear a warning window where warn you if you will continue you will lose all data. Click Yes. You will observe that the volume become unallocated. So if you want to extend other volume with deleted partition, right-click on Volume, select Extend Volume and do Next. You will be asked how amount of space you want and usually let him default. Click Next and Finish. You will observe that partition F added value 5 GB from partition G. If you find this video useful, please give comment, share and like for more videos. Bye.